welcome back to my YouTube channel Trending News. Today viewers, if you want to get the trending news of today, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Trending News today and press bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Viewers, hero Mitsu Kitayama and Hideaki Takizawa's TOBE office was flooded and cannot forgive Taki Johnny's Meiko Nakai Kis-My-Ft2 Kis-My-Ft2 is trending on YouTube right now, and viewers, I'm giving you the fast updates about this, and viewers, to get the further details about this, just subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.